Welcome to Exam Sales Comprehensive Guide to the Cisco Implementing Cisco Collaboration Applications Exam, also known as CLICA. In this video, we'll break down the exam syllabus into its individual domains, helping you understand what to expect and how to prepare. The CLICA exam is divided into 5 domains, each with its own weight and focus. The domains are Cisco Unified IM and Presence, which accounts for 25% of the exam. Cisco Unity Connection and Cisco Unity Express, which accounts for 20%, Application Clients, which also accounts for 20%, Cisco Expressway, which accounts for 20%, and Single Sign-On, or SSO, which accounts for 15%. Let's start with the first domain, Cisco Unified IM and Presence. This domain focuses on the configuration and troubleshooting of IM and Presence services, protocols, and federation. You'll learn how to configure Cisco Unified Communications Manager for IM and Presence, configure service parameters, identify and troubleshoot database replication, and describe and configure XMPP and SIP simple protocols. Moving on to the second domain, Cisco Unity Connection and Cisco Unity Express. This domain focuses on voicemail integration, call handlers, and unified messaging configuration. You'll learn how to configure Cisco Unity Connection integration with CUCM, implement call handlers, configure digital networking, and troubleshoot message waiting indicators. Additionally, you'll learn how to integrate Cisco Unity Express with CUCM Express, configure automated attendant, and manage mailboxes and system settings. Next is the Application Clients domain. This domain focuses on end-user collaboration software deployment, service discovery, and directory integration. You'll learn how to configure Cisco Jabber on-premises client, describe service discovery, implement directory integration, and troubleshoot login and registration issues. You'll also learn how to configure WebEx app hybrid services, implement directory synchronization, and manage security and authentication settings. The fourth domain is Cisco Expressway, which focuses on secure remote access and business-to-business collaboration solutions. You'll learn how to configure mobile and remote access, or MRA, on Expressway C and Expressway E, describe certificate requirements, configure HTTP proxy and SIP registration, and troubleshoot login and connectivity issues. Additionally, you'll learn how to configure business-to-business collaboration via Expressway, describe zones and neighbor relationships, and implement URI dialing and search rules. Finally, we have the Single Sign-On, or SSO, domain. This domain focuses on centralized authentication and SAML-based identity provider integration. You'll learn how to describe SAML 2.0 single sign-on components and flows, identify identity provider requirements, configure SSO for CUCM and IM and Presence, and troubleshoot authentication and metadata exchange. With this comprehensive guide, you now have a better understanding of the CLICA exam syllabus and what to expect from each domain. Remember to focus on the key topics and weights for each domain to help you prepare for the exam. Good luck with your studies.